Good afternoon, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. We're your local Sea Ray boat dealer. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this gorgeous 2026 Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. Come follow me. The first thing you notice when you board this 2026 Sea Ray 350 SLX is the twin V10 400 outboards. That is the power plant for this boat, pushes the boat in the mid-50s, even approaching 60 miles an hour. You have a huge entertaining area in the back for when you're at anchor or at the sandbar. You have a aft-facing seat. You have a nice leg rest here with some storage underneath it. And this all folds together for when you're underway, and you can actually tie a water sports toy or a tube on the top of it. So a very versatile transom on this 350 SLX. The 350 SLX has always been known for its spacious cockpit. It lends itself to entertaining, again, while you're at anchor, while you're underway, at the dock, at the marina. Look at the beautiful solid teak table you have here. You have tons of counter space, a refrigerator, an optional barbecue grill. This specific boat has an electric shade which covers a good portion of the boat. This is the stone interior, and you also have the beautiful, beautiful sea deck throughout the whole cockpit of this 350 SLX. Working our way up forward to the gorgeous helm, you have twin 12-inch Simrad full digital display. You have all joystick piloting. You have double helm seats on each side, so 4 people can be sitting forward. Everything is in the perfect position. You have keyless ignitions, all digital throttle and shift from Mercury. And what Sea Ray has done is they've given you a small cabin on the port side of the boat. And then you have a separate head with vacuum flush toilet and stand-up headroom on the starboard side. So walking up to the bow area on the 350 SLX, you have a very versatile area as well. We have it set up as a double lounger here. Easily 4 people can hang out up here. But then when you want to have lunch or dinner or just have a little more counter space, you have solid teak tables on each side with poles so you can raise them up and make them into tables. You also have easy access to your beautiful windlass anchor here with its own freshwater washdown. The SLX stands for Select Executive Boat. This is a gentleman's sports car is what this is on the water. If you're looking at a sporty boat that can go in the ocean, that can do a little bit of everything with easily 15 of your friends, the 2026 350 SLX is the right one for you. Give us a call today. Again, my name is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, your local Sea Ray dealer, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.